Hey guys, so I want to share one of my go-to beauty hacks, which is especially relevant during quarantine time. I think we're all in the same boat and we all have to groom ourselves at home. I don't have extremely bushy eyebrows, but I still do have to tweeze, and it's not fun, it's extremely painful. But here's a really easy way to make that pain go away. I'm not even kidding, just rub ice onto your eyebrow to numb it, and once you feel like you're in that numbing sweet spot, just tweeze. And you don't even feel it. Like, it's literally like zero pain tweezing. I hope that helps, and mwah, stay safe.